Okay, coming to the next and the most important answer which I've got for the question is, I want to be a CEO of a company. I want to be a CXO, CTO,
Oh,
CPO, CMO, C. That's what this called CXO आजकल बोलते हैं. CX मतलब you put whatever you want to put X की जगह, marketing, finance, operation, CFO, CTO. Ma'am, I was taking an interview at one of the B schools, very small B school. I don't want to name the college here. So very very small B school. तो वो लड़का के बोलता है, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ सीईओ. माई गोल इज टू बी, माई शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज टू बिकम अ सीईओ ऑफ अ कंपनी.
okay.
तो मैं
Short,
उसको बोला,
क्या short term goal is to
short term
become a
goal,
CEO.
my goal is to become a CEO of the company. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. तू मारना में तू लग गई तेरी बेटा. अभी तू सुन, अभी तो रुक, मेरे जान मैं तेरे बजाता हूँ यहाँ पे. सो आसिम, ओके, नेम 3 CEOs फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज. एंड दैट गाय इज डूइंग फुल एक्टिंग, जैसे बहुत सोच रहा होता ना. 3 CEOs, अच्छा एक जैसे मेरे घर के पीछे रहता है, एक तेरे घर के आगे रहता है. तो आफ्टर सम टाइम, नो सर आई कांट रिमेंबर ऑफ हैंड. मैं कहा है ही नहीं कोई साले, कहाँ से लाएगा नाम. The biggest, it happened to me as well. I was invited as a judge to a B school. If you go to the top colleges na, as a judge, so they have entrepreneurs and all these CEOs from their college and this and that. तो इधर वाला
Hmm.
मेरे बैठा हुआ, he is डिप्टी मैनेजर एंड दिस साइड इज अ सीनियर एडवाइजर. तो मेरे को समझा नहीं, इतने छोटे छोटे लोग को इनवाइट क्यों किया है. Then I realized कि this is the best they have got for the alumni in the college. Like, oh shit. So anyway, coming to the point, यार सीईओ कितना, 5 साल में, 10 साल में. पॉइंट नंबर वन, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी एरोगेंट टर्म टू यूज सीईओ. पॉइंट नंबर वन इज द पैनलिस्ट हु इज टेकिंग योर इंटरव्यू, 45-year-old guy. उसके भी सपने थे. दिल किधर होता है इधर ना. उसके सपने थे कि मैं बड़ा होकर सीईओ बनूंगा, ये बनूंगा. बेचारा वो टीचिंग कर रहा है वहां पे. ठीक है. उसके सामने एट द एज ऑफ 45 साल वो तुम्हारे कॉलेज का प्रोफेसर है, तुम आगे ज्ञान छांट रहे हो कि मुझे सीईओ बनना है. जस्ट इमेजिन उसकी कितनी दिमाग खराब होगा उसका. कि साले मैं 50 साल का हो गया इधर, 12 लाख कमा रहा हूँ, तेरे को बनना सीईओ. तू तो रुक, तेरे तो पहले मैं लगाता हूँ मैं. सो दैट इज नंबर वन पॉइंट. नंबर टू, यार देन दे नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स से, आई वांट टू बी यंगेस्ट CEO of the country. You know who was the youngest CEO of the country of a listed company? Yeah, he was Cognizant का CEO at the age of 37. ठीक है. ऑफ लेटली दे माइट बी फ्यू, लाइक हाउसी.com का CEO is quite young. ओयो रूम का now only,
Nowadays, every startup ka CEO can be, you know,
they
you
are
can
all
name
young,
them
but I'm
around.
talking
Yeah, yeah.
listed company. I'm talking about
Hmm.
the listed PSU, all these companies. CEOs are always 40, 50 years old. You can't hire a youngster and make him a CEO. It'll backfire.
Hmm.
Fine. So तुम ये सब ज्ञानबाजी मत करो, because this is a, trust me, very very bad example. What do you feel about this, ma'am? About CEO word, using the word CEO.
Oh man. As you said, you know, anything which anybody who says I want to be a CXXX. No, you know what? It shows, what it shows is how ignorant you are or how arrogant you are. Both are not right. Okay. You do not understand. CEO is Chief Executive Officer. Chief Executive Officer. Okay. So when this term came into picture, it came because that person was chief, captain. Okay. You cannot say, I want to, 2 years after MBA, I want to be a captain. Doesn't work. Again, my point is you have to show yourself as somebody who's there to learn. When you say CEO, then you know your learning has stopped over there. You are directly arriving. मतलब तुम direct desert पे जा रहे हो. अभी पूरा you know, you have starters, main course, everything is left, right? That shows either you're very arrogant, you're not serious about it, or you have actually no idea about it. Okay, so do not use these big terms, CEOs, CXOs, CFOs. Your entire answer around has to be learning. Please understand, we'll come back to that same thing again and again. Learning, learning, learning. Ye CEO mat bolo. Don't put up any, even VP or you know, executive directors or something. Do not, I think in last session I said, do not put designations. Do not put any designations around,
Exactly.
because
Even for long term goal
that
also.
shows, हाँ, क्योंकि उसमें तुम्हारा लर्निंग नहीं दिख रहा है,
Hmm.
तुम्हारा एरोगेंस दिख रहा है कि
Exactly.
भाई मैं किसी कंपनी का डायरेक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. But then that is after 15 years we are talking about. We are asking you right now, you know, why you want to do MBA? Because I want to be a director of a company. तुम खुद भी हायर करोगे क्या ऐसे लोगों को? कभी नहीं कर पाओगे. You also know that's not the answer you want to give. No.
Hmm.
So don't try and act very smart around.
Right.
That shows
So,
acting over smart.
exactly. So, better word for that, which I normally use. So, ma'am, you have to correct me if I'm wrong here. I want to be a functional head. ठीक है, I want to work in a function. तो मतलब I want to be in marketing or finance or HR operations. So we have to give some term, because see, either you become an entrepreneur, or you become a consultant, or you become a functional head. Functional head matlab, this was my answer to this question when I was preparing for my thing. I want to be a functional head where my decisions are felt in the company, or I want to reach a level where my positions, where my decisions are felt in the company. So we need to refine this word for a better word which you can get, so that
Expert. Let go of the word head. Okay, head industry se bhi ja raha hai as a word. Look,
exactly
industry
right.
is evolving to be more. So the structure, the pyramid structure that industry had, I think around Avneet and my time also, like this, we had a CEO, we have functional heads, departmental heads, leads, and engineers. This structure is getting demolished. It has already got. Now the industry works more in a oval structure or a circular structure, wherein it's a more inclusive nature. So people, we are looking at designations which are as vanilla as possible in life. Okay, so what everybody wants to become is an expert. I am a UI expert, or I am a UX expert, or I am a diversity consultant expert, or I'm a talent expert. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take a skill set and attach an expert to it.
Superb.
So you can be a supply chain expert, you can be an ops expert, you can be a systems expert. Okay, if you and dig, as I said again, strategies. Ramani says G strategy. I said apart from that, whatever answer you give, have 2 layers research in it. Only 2 layers. कि इसके ऊपर मुझे 2 सवाल और आ सकते हैं, and practice that answers. Because if you just give one answer and you're not able to answer this one level down answer of it or backup answer of it, your first answer goes out of the toss. So you can say, I want to become an expert, subject matter specialist, subject matter expert. These are better terms. These are more inclusive terms, shows less learning, shows more learning and less arrogance around.
Exactly. So CEO is out. CEO is going out, and that's a better word for that.
हेड
Right.
निकाल दो, सीईओ निकाल दो, लीड. अगर जहां तुम्हारे डेजिग्नेशन आता है ना, हायरार्की आती है, जहां मुझे 50 लोगों को लीड करना है. ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग. ओके, डू नॉट से हैंडल, डू नॉट यूज द वर्ड हैंडल. I want to handle. Handle is manhandling. चीजों को हैंडल करते हो. You don't handle people. You manage them or you work with them. Okay, so do not use the word. I find it very negative word in interviews when people say handle. So just remove that. So you have to increase your vocab with more positive words for your interviews.
So what is the better word for that?
Manage.
Manage. Right.
I work along with, or my team. I co-work in a team of, or I manage a team of, or I'm responsible for a team of. These are better words. Handle is manhandling, to be honest, which we don't want to do.
Seriously, these are small things. मैम कल ना मैंने एक वीडियो डाला था regarding the background, that you should not show a bed in the background of the interview. Try to show a wall, plain wall, all these things. So
Just looking मेरे background में क्या है अभी.
see, in both of backgrounds is plain ना.
Right, yeah,
Showing the
yeah.
bedroom is a very bad impression on the panelists. अलमारियां दिखती हैं, खुली हुई अलमारियां बच्चों के. So these are all very bad example for that. So but then someone said, अरे ये सब नहीं होता है. Your talent is the most important thing. You don't need to show all. You don't need to do all these things. Yeah, of course, talent is no doubt number one. The presentation is important. Then why wear tie? If presentation is not important, why all the companies, all the employees wear tie, all the interviewers they wear tie or shirt? In fact, that's going to be about one of the interview question this week. So I'll post the complete timetable for the whole week. So in case you want
Yeah.
to join, you are most welcome to join. Okay. So we'll stop here. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for coming online.
Pleasure always. I loved
Thank you.
interacting with
Thank
you guys around
you.
here. Thank you. Take care, people. Bye.
Bye.